Hi and welcome back to AI in Action. Ever wondered how filmmakers create stunning cinematic scenes with just a few clicks? Say hello to Google Veo 3, the powerful AI video generation tool that is turning heads around the world. And guess what? You can use it for free if you know how. Stick around as we show you how to access Veo 3, explore its features, and unlock pro-level cinematic video creation without spending a dime. What is Google Veo 3? Google Veo 3 is the latest innovation in AI-powered video generation. Think of it like ChatGPT, but instead of text, it creates high-definition cinematic videos from simple prompts. Whether you are a content creator, filmmaker, educator, or brand, Veo gives you the tools to turn ideas into visual magic. Key features of Google Veo 3. Text to video. Just describe your scene like a spaceship flying over a desert at sunset and Veo brings it to life. Number 2. Scene consistency. Your characters, lighting and style remain the same across scenes. Number 3. Cinematic quality. From 1080p to 4K support, depth of field, and natural camera movement, your video feels like Hollywood. Number 4. Style control. Choose themes like film noir, anime, nature documentary, or futuristic cyberpunk. Number 5. Multi-shot editing. Stitch multiple scenes into one video with transitions. Technically, it is like having an AI film crew in your browser. How to use Google Veo 3 for free? Now the big question, how do you get access? Go to veo.google.com, click Join Waitlist, fill out the form, briefly explain how you will use Veo, submit and wait. Pro tip, if you are a content creator, teacher or marketer, highlight that in your form. Google is granting early access to professionals creating high-value content. Once accepted, you will receive an email with access to the full Veo 3 dashboard, 100% free. No payment, no subscription, just early access to a next-generation tool. Creative use cases of Google Veo 3. So what can you create with Veo 3? You can create YouTube shorts and videos, product promos, music video backgrounds, educational explainer videos, AI art showcase, even film trailers. With zero production cost, this tool is ideal for creators, freelancers, agencies, or students looking to boost quality without breaking the bank. Bonus tips and hacks. So, here are a few quick hacks. Use specific prompts. The more detail, the better the output. Ask for camera movement like tracking shot or zoom in. Pair your Veo video with AI voiceovers like 11 Labs or CapCut. Upload to platforms like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels for massive organic reach. That is how to use Google Veo 3 for free and start creating cinematic videos today. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI tools and automation guides. Drop a comment with your favorite video idea and we might feature it in the next video. See you soon on AI in Action. Thank you.